How to create WeChat account. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create WeChat account. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WeChat app on your device. Now you'll reach on the welcome screen of WeChat, where you need to select sign up button at bottom right corner of the screen to create WeChat account. You can sign up via mobile, sign up via Facebook, or simply tap cancel to not create any account. Let's choose sign up by phone number. Now you have to add your name, country or region, add your phone number and enter your password. And then you need to check mark I have read and accept the WeChat terms of service and select accept and continue button after you fill up all the credentials given below. Now you have to select Authenticate button for your security verification. You have to select all images that match. Once you have verified, you need to select a verification method. You can verify via payment card, via QR scan by another user, or verify and activate Region Pay. Then following all the on-screen prompts, you will successfully create WeChat account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.